Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys, re-recording this actually since the last one was just a bit messy, and I honestly just want to make this one work out, flow a little bit better. So really what we got going on here is I'm actually going to be discussing the championship purple or court purple, dunk low, and basically the reasons as to why I think this shoe will go up. I mean, it's already on the rise right now. You can go check the StockX charts. I don't really need to say too much more than that. But in the future, I think this is easily a 300 plus shoe. There's so many details that are unique about this dunk low. I mean, most dunk lows aren't very unique, but I'm saying compared to what we've seen of dunk lows currently, it's one that stands out a bit and is one that we should look out for in the future if you're just trying to invest on, or if you're trying to add it to the personal collection like me. This is my personal pair, then I totally understand. I got a size 8 as well. I'm actually going to rebuy some sizes too since I overpaid on this one. I paid, a fair price on my size 8, so I'm going to be holding that one along with the 11.5 since that's just a rarer size. I overpaid a bit on that one too, but we'll get into those details later. You want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, those are there. And feel free to subscribe and like for more content like this. Again, like goal, we'll make it very simple. Let's keep it at 210 likes. I always ask for, a pretty simple goal, not too little, not too much, just what's deserved, what's simple, But that's everything. So we'll be doing a try on, aspect of this video, up close details, and we will do a sneaker investing part. So it's a 3-part video, and we'll get into the first part of it, which is, again, showing you guys the up close details right here. So first things first, the main details I want to show you guys on the shoe. Let me zoom in right here. But again, that beautiful purple colorway, how that hits in hand, it's really, really well done. I got to zoom out a bit there, but you guys can see it's really, really well done. I love how Nike did this. Again, them calling it the championship purple. Go look at the championship red. They have another championship colorway coming up, like the championship Kentucky or something like that. And basically they've been dropping a variety of colorways under this championship name, and they've all done really well. They've all risen before. You can go look at the charts. They're doing great. So me seeing this one right here, obviously, first of all, we haven't seen the dunk low in this court purple colorway as well. You guys can see, again, shout out Nike. I always mention I love when they do this, keeping the embroidery the same color as kind of the midsection right here. I think that's good. Also the same color as the toe box and laces, and also a different color than the back section of the toe box here. If they just embroidered it purple, I feel like it would have thrown it off a bit, but I like how they've just done this shoe so far. It's very simple, and this is one thing I want to mention about shoes right now. If you notice something about shoes right now, of course there is like crazy ones that are out there, stuff like that, ones you don't see that often that kind of have unique details to them. But kind of heading into 2022, 2023, what we got going on, again, we're obviously not that close to 2023, but people like simple details, and people love purple too. This is another thing. Y'all see how this purple colorway is hitting in hand here? Let me show you all these up close details. Like compared to, look at how this hits on the white laces, especially here. Let me show you the tongue too on this, because you got the purple Nike symbol there. Here, I got to get the laces obviously from around there, since you got the factory lace in there. But also look, you got the top of the tongue is lined around in purple, which I think is so sick. And then also you got the purple Nike swoosh with the white laces. Again, look how this hits over the top of the shoe. I'm adding this one to the personal collection, no doubt, not even a question. And I definitely will be buying more pairs of this one, just because, again, I've had so many people tell me, hey Tristan, this is one of those dunk lows that hits so well in hand, and I definitely think it's going to be doing numbers in the future. I think your call on this one is probably pretty right. And I've had like 5 people DM me that, and I've also had several other individuals DM me saying, hey, I wasn't going to originally sell, but I'm not selling anymore. And once I heard that, it was like, okay, that's all I really needed to know. That was the last time, last time someone told me that was the Travis Scott Fragment lows, and they also told me that on the Laser Oranges. And you guys can go look at both of those charts in those shoes. Beautiful as to how they performed, and those are 2 different sneaker models, just to keep that in mind, 2 different ones. But yeah, again, here's how the sole is as well. Beautiful. I love this too. When the sole matches this, it's game. If y'all see this, just know it's game over. Just know it's game over. Whenever the toe box is matching the sole, it's game over. It's a sneaker hold. You don't have to ask me. And if you're someone that's asking me, Tristan, when should I buy this one for the personal collection? I think now probably sounds pretty good. I've already got mine, so I mean, I recommend you get your hands on yours ASAP before these push up to 250, 300. I think that'll be very soon, especially in the summer. You're telling me people aren't going to be wanting, but this type of bright, vibrant colorway heading into summer, of course they're going to want something like this. Of course, there's not a doubt in my mind that this sneaker will do well. So aside from that, showing y'all all the up close details, the white laces, how everything hits. I love how the laces match the toe box too. It's not like slightly like discolored or anything. It's really, really well done. So beautiful shoe. And yeah, let me get in to show y'all again this whole try on aspect of the shoe, what I think about them in hand and on feet, since I am adding this one to the collection. And I will I'll probably I'll make a video on it soon, but I probably am going to be selling my Fragment lows to reinvest into other pairs like this one, since I'll be able to grow the money much faster like that. And you know, also I've just been holding on to those fragment lows for a while, and I can like cash out like $1,200 on them right now, so I probably should. But off topic, let me show you all these on foot. Alright, and here we are on foot. Look at that. What a beautiful pair. This is it. But another dunk low I have to add to the collection, along with this one I added recently. And y'all can see again, these are looking really clean. And this is just what, like, when I saw this, I was like, I had an on foot view. When I saw this, I was like, all right, this is game. I definitely think these are going to be doing better. And again, when I was talking about that overhead view on these, again, very, very clean, very well done. They fit well on the foot too. It doesn't look like awkward or anything, and they're all right. I mean, most dunk lows aren't super comfortable. I mean, dunk lows were never originally meant for just kind of wearing around like this. Dunk lows were meant for skating, so they're going to be a bit, you know, harder, you know. It's just kind of a weird thing to do, but y'all can tell it's like, you know, it's a little bit sturdier of a shoe, especially right here by where you know, would like kickflip or something like that, you know, where you flick your toe. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit sturdier there, and that's kind of why the toe box tends to crease easier here, because it's a harder material. Feel it. It's different than some of your other dunk lows. Like this one, it's different than this dunk low. This is a woman's dunk low, and this was not meant for skating. You can tell just the material on this is different. I probably just haven't broken it in, but probably just not a great comparison. But aside from that, yeah, wearing this pair, beautiful. Get y'all a little on-foot view there so y'all can see that. There you go. Hitting really well right there. But yeah, aside from that, try-on aspect, all that, let's just get into the part where I just show you all how I feel about the shoe, holding it, when to buy it. I feel like the best time to buy is now, but let's just get it started. Alright, so as you guys can see, the screen recording is now up. So again, main thing I want to mention about the shoe in terms of it being a hold, look at the prices right now. The prices are low on this shoe. They have not risen like crazy yet. Y'all can see I paid $220 on my size 10 like a week ago. It dropped back down. It was at $195 a couple days ago, and again it is back up another $10. So just keep this in mind. It's, you know, making some progress around $195 to $205 in those sizes. But then again, you see in some of the other ones, bigger ones like 11.5, things like that, we're touching above $220, and I think those will push to $250 very, very soon. Those bigger sizes and dunk lows do not like to stay at low prices, since you know, dunk lows are just my big feet people. Y'all love dunk lows. There's no lies about it. You know what I mean? Just like us small feet people love Jordan 1s. You know, that's just how it is. So yeah, that's an interesting comparison, but you can go look at most Jordan 1 prices for big sizes. They're not as high unless it's something like a 13. I'm talking about like, you know, 14s, 12s, things like that. A little bit off topic, random fact, but yeah, basically I want to show all the chart on this one just so you all know what I was talking about by saying all I need to show is the StockX chart. Again, you see that little dip it had down. There you go. That was the point to buy on the 11th. I should have waited till then, but I was impatient. I wanted to get an in-hand review, so I made deals early. And I think it's worth it, because now I got my personal pair. I got an extra pair too, just to hold on to. I got one more on the way, so I got 2 pairs on hold right now. My goal is to buy 3 more, so I have 5 pairs of championship dunk lows to hold, because I think this purple colorway just for the summer, there's no doubt in my mind these touch above 300. I think that's very easy to say, and looking at this chart already, this is ideal. This is what I like seeing after, you know, it's good. This is a good sight. Like, this is something you want to see. This is not disappointing at all. I mean, like, yes, this is good. And you can see this previously was a $260 shoe. So I think, again, me saying this could touch above $250, $260 very soon is not unrealistic, especially, excuse me, dang, with it going up already. But that's everything right there. And yeah, just again, if y'all want to hold it, that's what you can do. If you want to wear it, go ahead, wear it. No disrespect, I respect that completely. So I'm gonna end that, and we'll just touch right back here. So yeah, a little 3-part video right there, a try-on, in-hand, kind of, you know, up-close detail review, and then also one where I kind of just show you all what I think about holding the shoe. So that's everything I need to mention. And yeah, if you all have any questions, any comments, anything like that down below, feel free. I'll be there to answer them for you guys if you're confused about anything. And I got a lot to do today. You know, I got a class, I might have a quiz in another, but I think it'll be fine. I don't think it's gonna be, you know, a very busy day, just, you know, kind of one that's like, you know, it's one of those days you're like, oh man, I gotta do this, but who knows? It'll be all right. So I'll catch you on the next one. Much love. Leave any questions below. Tristan, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I really like y'all, but you know you do them lines. Oh, yeah. Oh, all the time. If you tweaking, then you probably want something. Ay, if you tweaking, then you probably on something. Yeah, I ain't down for your love.